It is Saturday, June 28th. How are you doing?
I don't know.
It looks like you're making some progress.
We're making some pretty good progress. What do you think?
I think it's looking awesome. We got some Jungle Cruise names up on the cabinets. I did get to use some of my doors.
Yes, you did. They're not working too well right now as cabinets, but at least they look nice.
Well, and all of this is going to be painted too.
Yeah.
But I feel like you're making some good progress, yes?
I think so, yeah.
Anything that you want to
just
remember or?
No.
No? Okay.
I think it's coming along.
While he's been doing this, I've been trying to clean up the yard and everything that we've been kind of pushing to the side. So I've been back breaking labor there, and he's been in here. Let's see. Yeah.
Looking nice and coming along.
Always an adventure.
Always.
If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.